If you're locked out of your Samsung S10 5G, let's first explore the Odin method. The process involves flashing a specific combination file to your device. To begin, you'll need to download the correct firmware and enter download mode on your phone by powering it off. Then holding the volume down, Bixby, and power buttons together. Once connected to your computer, load the file into Odin and start the flash process. After a reboot, this method can successfully remove your screen lock. However, it's crucial to know that while Odin can bypass the screen lock, it often cannot fully remove the Google FRP lock, leaving you still blocked by Google verification. For a complete solution that directly targets and removes the FRP lock itself, we turn to MagFone Android Unlocker. This powerful software is designed to permanently remove Google account locks and supports all Android versions, offering a reliable fix where other methods fall short. The process with MagFone is straightforward. First, install and launch the tool on your computer, selecting the Remove Google FRP Lock feature. Now, on your S10 5G device, you'll need to manually guide it into the necessary settings. To do this, return to the welcome screen and tap Emergency Call. Then, enter #0# using the dial pad. The phone will instantly show the hidden service menu as illustrated on your screen. With this menu accessed, follow the simple on-screen instructions from the MagFone software, and it will automatically clear the FRP lock from your device, granting you full access without the previous Google account.